You ready? Let's go. For those of you that want to know what this class is all about, it's like this, yo. It's 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% cheating off the person next to you, 5% guessing, 50% pain, and 100% praying to God that you got an A. It's like, I really don't need a high grade, I just need a C. That'll make me happy for the day, but I feel so unlike everybody else alone, cause I still don't know how to find me median and mode. Oh well, stats, it's just not about that. There's a lot more stuff we still need to explore, like what is standard deviation, how about random sampling, or do we still need to see what the heck is population?
Stats. Let's do stats homework. Learn all about stats. Learn about the population and sampling. Don't forget sample statistics, population parameter, and raw data. Let's discuss our samplings. We got simple, random, and systematic sampling, including that cluster, that convenience, and stratified sampling. For that random sample, every member has an equal chance of being selected to be a part of the sample. With systematic sampling, we choose every case member of a population. For that convenience sampling, you choose if you want to be a part of the sample. With cluster sampling, all members in randomly selected groups. For that stratified, we ain't going to discuss it because it wasn't on the test. We got our guidelines from 1 to 8 determining if conclusion valid. 2 different data types, which is qualitative or quantitative. If it's quantitative, it could either be discrete or continuous. Got levels of measurements, form suckers, which will be nominal, ordinal, interval, or even a ratio. Got these different type of H's, HO being your null and HA alternative. Here's a way to remember: accept the whole if p-value is high, reject the whole if p-value is low.